So it's copied the data, it's created the tables, and in the template, I actually put a formula in so that it would get it from this original data. And we won't go through the maths here, but I set it up so that I wouldn't have to re-put the input in. And we now have the stream information, and I've also put into it the correct confidence, and I'm only using unused or standard. I'm not using fixed. So there was a problem in removing the at signs. I haven't quite figured out what the problem is. It's something for me to work on. I'm just going to quickly reset the flow sheet because I've had to, well, I'll try it without. So we just say load data, initialize. No, it hasn't read it. I have to restart. So I go back here. Now, some of this definitely has to be automated, so it's not repetitive. For the moment, it's not. I generally have to refresh it if it didn't work. I transfer the flowsheet data again, and we're going to load the data. Didn't load, try it again. And it says it's transferred, so it's worked.